Good morning guys. Ay, ito po may papakita po ako na bahay. Sana po matulungan sa mga generous kong friends. Those friends, those friends of mine that who are generous, please share your blessings. Please help. This is the house of my brother. Look at the house. Needs a repair, but no budget. So my brother is a farmer and he don't have a budget for the repair this house, and no capital also for the farm to plant the rice. Look at this house, guys. Please help. Need help. My brother's is badly needed. He is badly needed help to fix this house. Look at that. No more roof. And also look at this. Look at this house. So ayan guys, yeah, look at that house. Please, my brothers need help to fix this house. To fix his house. Please guys, those people with a kind-hearted and generous, please help. And let also the house that, okay guys, please help. My brother needs help to fix this house. Okay. Thank you very much guys. Hope you are kind-hearted support for my brother's house. Thank you very much. Love you. God bless guys.